Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video, and this time in how to use Google Scholar. We know that Google Scholar is a free web search engine for academic content, and it's a part of Google. The difference with Google itself is that in Google you get everything, but in Google Scholar you only get the academic content. So knowing how to use Google Scholar will help you a lot to get better results and to get what you want in much less time than you tried. So, how to use Google Scholar step by step. First thing is you need to open scholar.google.com. Then you come to this page. In the search part, you need to write. You need to know what you want to write. Sometimes it is the title of your article you want to write, or sometimes you are searching for a specific article, or sometimes you don't have any specific article but you have the keywords. So it's important to know how to search and what you want to find in the Google Scholar. Imagine that you have an article in your mind. You want to write an article about the impact of reading on language acquisition. So we have this article, of course, if you want to write about that article. So this is a title. Sometimes we need, and of course, when you write here in this part, it shows you the results. Here we have 4,800,000 results for this title. But you don't need always to write a title like that. You can write the keywords. For example, we want to delete this part and we just need to write this one. Okay, impact of reading on second language. In some research on the impact of reading for writing, impact of reading intervention. So this time we got 7,670,000 results. So impact reading, if we want to be in a title, we want to minimize the number, because so we put in a quotation mark and we will get 8,000 only results. 8,000 results. Impact of reading, we can add on language acquisition. So this time we get 6,000 results. So this way you get a lot of results, but you need to narrow down, or let's say you need to know how to search or what you want to search for in the Google Scholar. It's very important in the title. You need to know what are the keywords you want to search for. Impact of reading on language acquisition, or if we can change on language learning this time, the number changes. So we can change the keywords the way we want. But what is important is what this quotation mark means a lot. This quotation mark means the result would give you the exact match of what you have between the quotation marks. Let's just remove the quotation mark. The impact of reading on, let's say, language learning. Okay, the impact of reading on language learning. So we want to find a systematic review article, or let's say a literature review article, a literature review paper. So we just need to add a quotation mark, a literature review. So this time it provides, this time we have 235,000 results. This time we have a literature review for all of them. This time we have a literature review articles, but not only for the impact of reading on language learning, because this time we put a literature review between the quotation, so the focus is on the quotation. So if we just remove this one, a literature review, so it gives you a lot of results. 2,850,000 results. A literature review on language acquisition. 6 results. We have 6 results on a literature review on language acquisition. Okay, let's go back to the previous search. Impact of reading on second language acquisition, or let's say language acquisition. So when the result is here, the first line is the title of the page, the title, sorry, of the article. The second line, we have the bibliographical information like the author, or let's say authors, then the journal or the book, and then the year of publication, then the publisher. And here we have a part of the abstract from the article. And on the right hand, if a PDF version of the article is available online, then it will provide you a PDF version. By clicking on the title, it takes you to the page of the journal. It takes you to the page of the journal. By clicking on this one on the right hand, it provides you the PDF version of the article. So down below at the bottom of the result, here we have some important things. The star means if I want to, let's say, save this article for later to get back to it and review it or read it, I just need to click on the save. Okay. You can just click on done, or if you want to create a new label and name it. Imagine that we have a label, its name is vocabulary. We just want to add to that label. We just click on done. Here the second part is cite, means the style of citation provided by Google Scholar, MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. It depends on the journal actually, or it depends on yourself which one you want to use. So the third part is cited by. Cited by means this article is cited by how many other articles. For example, this one is cited by 1,129 articles. This one is cited by 83 articles. This one is cited by 59 articles. So if you click on it, it takes you to that 1,129 articles. Just by clicking on it, it takes you to them. It will provide you all of the articles. And the third one, related articles. In this one, you can find the article that they are related to the title of that article. So also here you can find the article that they are related to the title of the article. The last part is all versions. This article provides or has 5 different versions. If you see that in 5 different versions, only one of them provides a PDF version of the article. The others, they do not provide. So here you can click on it to see the other versions of the same article. On this part, sometimes impact of reading on language acquisition, we have 6 million results. Okay, if you want to minimize the number, let's say click on since 2019. So the result changed. We have 25,000 only. If we add, let's say, a specific year, we want to have the articles of a specific year, we just need to add the year and then we click on it. Then you'll get the article that they were published in 2015. We will get all of those that we have there. They were published in 2015. And then also you can go to my library. Also, my library is here, also is available. In my library, my library, sorry, here, this one, you can find the articles that you save it. When you search for the different articles, you cannot read all of them. You cannot just have a look at all of them. You just, as you know that one of them is important, or let's say related to your research, you just need to save it for later. So here, in this way, you can collect the articles, and later you go back to them by clicking on my library. And then we have advanced search. If you want your advanced search to have much better results, here let's just go back to the okay, and this time advanced search. Okay, let's remove this one. What are these different options? The bold words are very important. All means the search would give you all the words that are in this title. Exact phrase, let's say we want this one. Impact of reading. Okay, we want to have this exact phrase. Without words, you don't want, let's say, a specific word not to include in the search. Where my words occur, anywhere in the article or only in the title of the article. Sometimes you can write a name, an author, let's say an author or something like that, or sometimes you can write the year from, let's say, since 2010 to 2015. So this way you can have a better result from advanced search. So that was almost I can say all about Google Scholar. If you have any question about any part of my, let's say, how to use Google Scholar, just leave in the comment and I will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video again. But at the end, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video to help and get more videos on my channel. Thanks again. Have a nice time.